Hi guys. Well, this morning I talked about dangerous people. I had some more thoughts about this, and then some of you guys have asked me to do a tour here at the homestead, so I thought I'd show you this barn and talk about dangerous people, scared people. Right, so there's two barns here at the homestead. They are connected, and this one is, as you can see, maybe it's very tall. Yeah, and then there's two small buildings, and then the big house where we live, of course. So yeah, these scared people are dangerous. Well, they give very poor advice. You hear them say that we should take the shot, all of us, right? Now, just look at me, for example. I'm 62 years old. I take care of myself. People dying here in Sweden with the flu, not from the flu, with the flu. Average age is 84. You see? And the official number of people getting serious side effects from the shot, that's about 9,000 people. And 283 of them died. That's the official number. And of course, we don't know anything about long-term side effects. Nobody knows about this. So if you follow their advice, I think that would be a very good very bad idea. This is the second barn. Yeah, I'll tell you about these things. So that's my point. Listening to these people is not a good idea. They are so afraid of the weather and the flu, and it's like they can't think. But you keep hearing this, right? Take the shot, take the shot. Okay, so these are rabbit cages. Yes, I built them. Of course I did. So they are outside now, the rabbits. Bring them here in winter. This sign is for my girlfriend. She forgot to close this once. And one of the rabbits escaped. And we were looking for it. Then I found it over here. And it was doing fine. Yeah. It was a happy rabbit. Right. These are my fishing rods. I don't know if you can see. I do some fishing. And this is, of course, hay. We harvest this ourselves. And we give it to the rabbits. Yeah. A lot of stuff we found here that was left by the previous owner, like this thing. I know what it is, but I will not explain it to you. Very old stuff. We found so much stuff here in these buildings. It's incredible. Beautiful old tools and stuff. This is the snowplow, of course, and that's the tractor. It's an international harvester. It was built in 1967. I heard it was built in southern England, actually. I don't know if this is true, but it's an American tractor. And apparently they built them in England for the European market. Yeah, it's working so well. There are still some things that I don't understand about it. I have to learn all of it. I am learning. I learned a lot on how to take care of it. It's just fantastic. I don't know what these are called in English, but we use it to cut the meadow to get the hay, of course. We had it for 2 years. And then there's firewood. We have extra this year because we found this fantastic supplier. We usually don't have so much firewood. I cut about 40% of it myself. And after about 40% I get bored with it and tired. And this is where I do the cutting, the splitting. This axe, I'm not using this axe, of course, it's too small. This is for finer cutting. This is a Swedish axe, Hultafors. Fantastic. These are the axes that I use. This one is amazing. Finnish axe, Fiskars. And this is a Swedish one. More, well, it's bigger. See? Works great. And then more firewood. This firewood that we have now will still be here next year and the year after. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is where I do target practicing with my air gun. I think I did this one yesterday. I was pretty proud of this. I'm getting better. I'm shooting from 10 meters, yes. So I can't use a real gun here. I have to go to the firing range. Well, yeah, so that's my point. These dangerous, scared people, they try to convince me and maybe you that we are the dangerous ones. But if we follow their advice, we could really get into trouble. And as I said, we know nothing about long-term side effects. And giving it to children, well, makes me furious. You really want to stop them. Yeah, I also want to show you my air gun. I don't know much about air guns. I just got this. It's a Crossman. I forgot the number. It's working great, yeah. American. All right. So yeah, that's my point. Anything that I forgot to show you? All right. Maybe you enjoyed this tour, I don't know. Be good.